Samuel Achela, Lord Rai, Arucho Kinton Loka, Iriongeta Local Action Aid, Ojaida Kumi Regional Office, Ngesda Ikeo to Balebe, Aluskineta Nada Urianeta, Ngesda Irana Ada Etolomoneta, Kanoda Tukuna Umisho, Kama Ade Jasi, Iriongeta Lude Gela, Kanoda, Aitolomon, Iwadika Nada Epedura, Kopakin Edeji, Thing Areno, Co District Analuko Kumi, Nepekerebu Kedia, Ikamana Rakeda.
In this meeting, the CSO working group members are supposed to come with a position papers on key sectors like agriculture, health, and education, whereby they will come out with a position papers that will inform our next subsequent engagement with the duty bearers of Kumi. At the end results of this kind of action is to ensure that we have improvement of public service delivery for the betterment of the citizens who are the taxpayers.
Simon Peter Eliodo, Ekanyana Loko PAG South Teso Pastore, Ngesida Balebe, Itunga Ngesida Mame Dumunitos, Eijanakine Naida Ibecho Kino, Iroda Ikeoniti Obalebe, Nepeta Ekotomo, White in Luda Ngaleu, Nepe Kedashoman, Ngesida Rasilu Pudasino, Eijanakine Dakitos, Ipele Ikuda Lukapugan, Ngesida Ikoto Iketakinos, Kanoda Nyunebe, Meda Uneti Tunga Otomak Eijanakine.
Education we focus no be mam tunge du muto se Eijanakine lo becho kino. Ido toma workshop lo imoro akiron we poak. We come to sa shoman idue lu oteso, idue lu Kumi akiron Eijanakine na amokian. Oso da Eijanakine lo Aijene pono lo bosa kinto ritunga ekale adu muni nyamata lu edoltos tetre pedora ku otoma Education we tenge ido chamanar nepepe be kron wa uni erasno ekoto saitinyo jokan keda duty bearers.
Samo kiso diope era baka krono da ikamana keda Apollo Chaloi ride activist alele muntu otemlo mukongoro district loko Kumi Ngesida Ikeoni tiobale Eijanakine Ngesida Railo da ipuda jokan ido elipiti ngulu de daktosi apisi nanyu nebe itodol kinete Eijanakine loda ibusa kinete mamade ija situnga ludo kwa
Eijanakine ne jasitunga mamedolit ideje kada ne polonoi elo majo chaloi I complaining ati tunga no epu no kerebe amonar actually the level of poverty ikeunu noi apukwa na enera ni Eijanakine na ngaleu mamisilo sikina
David Tuke Lord Rai Eraban Lord of Council Loko Kumi District Local Government Ngesida Chamun Chobalebe Ejasi de Atena Ranyo Otomo Eijanakine
dollar pakina budgeting process we shall be able to I come on a kirongo a chair. Some of them in Perasabika can cafe areas of funding and others can be areas which can wait and funded priorities so that in case an opportunity of funding comes for take up rasa lemono akirongo anilbe Eijanakine itunga otomo ponele beito.
Kanuka TV East Martinopolo Kumi District.